Hiya people, thanks for clicking. Today we've got a treat. This is Apprentice Bulldog number 90. I'm going to do a bare metal finish on it, but I'm going to darken the metal down using super glue. Now it's about 100 years old, so it has got a lot of surface rust and a bit of hidden rust. So we're going to use deoxy overnight, going to soak it in that, and it comes out looking like this. All the rust has gone. So let's get it over to the wire wheel and get all this paint off. I always find it amazing what 10 minutes on the wire wheel does. However, this is way too shiny a finish for me. I like to use this blue masking tape because it stops bleed under, I find. So I'm taping up everything where I don't want to get super glue. Now, the other night there I was, watching the telly, and out the corner of my eye I see something move. And I look through the window into the conservatory, and there's a fucking ghost of a chicken flying around, knocking stuff off shelves. I called the wife, I said, quick, 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 we've got a poultrygeist. Right, enough of the spooks. I'm actually super gluing this to give the metal an antique look. Right, I'm going to take the super glue off again. It will darken the metal because it's come out too shiny from the wire wheel. So we're coating this, aren't we? Yeah, you're doing good there, Jim. You're coating that. Oh, that's lovely. That's very well protected. No, it's not. It's super glue. You want to protect it after you put super. You need to oil it or wax it. Alright? Don't take my word for it. Ask Scout Crafter. He's a very knowledgeable man, is John. Right, so it's come out grey blue, that has, but never mind. It's done the job, done the job. So, to prove a point about super glue, I left this for 40 minutes, and look what happens. But underneath the new, very light coating of rust, it has darkened the metal just as I want. So, let's take this rust off, then it'll be time to get some wax on. Get some of this beeswax in here. So I use a mixture that comes in a tin from a company called Bee Naturals. It's beeswax and olive oil. Never use beeswax and linseed oil because it turns into a yucky mess after a few months. Right, so I'm going to totally cover this entire vise now in this wax and olive oil mixture, as I'm going to do with the pipe wrenches when I clean them, and that will protect these for a couple of years. Alright, let's get it back together. And Bob's your dad's sister's brother. Yes, absolutely lovely. So, Scout Crafter's favourite part, do you remember how it started? I love the way the super glue has added the dark patches to this. That's what it was supposed to do in my vision. Right, thank you all for watching. Click down there for the link for another one, or don't. Right, bye for now.